Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel formulas. To begin, always type an equals sign into your chosen cell. This tells Excel you are entering a calculation. Next, you can click on cells to include their values or simply type their cell references such as A1 or B2. Remember to use standard operators like plus, minus, asterisk for multiplication, and / for division. Once your formula is complete, just hit enter to see the result. It's that simple to start calculating. Let's try entering your very first formula. Pick any empty cell where you want the answer to show up. Type an equals sign, then input a simple calculation like equals 100 times 1.05 for a 5% increase. Or, for adding a range, type equals sum, open parenthesis, then select your cells, for example, a 1 through a 5, and close the parenthesis. After you've typed it out, just press the Enter key to see your calculation come to life. Hey everyone, if you're finding these Excel tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support really helps us out. On another note, for all your learning and reading needs, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for diving into new topics, even complex ones like advanced spreadsheets, wherever you are. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's look at some essential formulas you'll use often. The sum function is perfect for adding up a range of numbers, like equals sum, open parenthesis, C1 through C10, close parenthesis. To find the average, use equals average, open parenthesis, D1 through D20, close parenthesis. If you need the highest value, use max, and for the lowest, use min. And for counting cells with numbers, the count function like equals count, open parenthesis, F1 through F100, close parenthesis, is incredibly useful for your data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.